Hey everyone, welcome back to our Coding in Kotlin series. And well, yeah, as you can see, I'm here alone without Igor, and it basically means that it will be a live coding session. Anyways, let's see. Yeah, and it will be kind of funny because I should rule all the image myself without any help. So I probably will be a little bit sluggish, but let's see how it will work in reality. Here I open my ID. Yeah, you probably can see it. And I just pulled the changes Igor made last time. Let me try to launch our application to recover my memory about what's going on. Yeah, what's going on? I believe we changed physics a bit. And oh yeah, now we have this shaky camera. You can see that when I gather a diamond, the camera actually shakes. And I have quite ambitious plans for today, even though I'm not Igor is not here. I wanna tune running a bit. Also, I want to try to remove this annoying bug. Like when I jump up, I kind of stick. I kind of stick to the ceilings of my surroundings, and it doesn't look nice. Yeah, like this, and it is kind of crazy. It's not how it should work. I really, really want to fix it. And I have pretty good idea on how to do it. Maybe let's even start with this. Maybe let's even. Um, it should be somewhere. Yeah, in physics system. Wrong system. Physics system. I have this on tick. I should have my yeah I look I have these functions begin contact and end contact, and what I want to do is when contact ends, no, when contact begins, I want to set something inside player state probably. Yeah, let's open this component, player state component. I want to change add one more variable to it. It will be called on the ground. It will be Boolean, and by default it will be false, but that's not important. Now, when the collision begins, I probably body user data. I can actually operate on user data. Let me see if I have this set transform box body. Box position. So what I want to do is I want to check somehow if it's user. Diamond user data as entity. I have this diamond. Okay. Diamond payment system. Yeah. Let me check how I create diamonds. What I do is I create an entity, world.entity, and for body I set user data to this entity. Okay, let's do the same for player first. Body user data equals it. Nice. Now we should probably have our entity, flex entity written inside the box2d user data. Now I can create an extension function. I can create an extension function like its player or something like that. If body A is player, create extension property on body. It's Boolean. Nice. So it will be actually return user data is entity and what is the thing player state component in user data. Why doesn't it work? Probably because I need to cast it. Entity. No. User data, player state component, 0. No. No, doesn't work like this. How do I check it? Is this the right entity? Yes. How do I work with entities? Local component. It entity. Interesting. What methods do I have? ID. Oh. Oh. By the way, it should probably be right inside the physics system, and then it will work. And there's a component in user data. Okay, I should cast it. So the issue was I didn't check properly. I should be inside Flex system to be able to access all the nice stuff of entities. Now I can replace body A is player, or yeah, body B is player. Now I should probably have something similar for walls. Where do I create walls? Tiled map, main, tmax map loader, load, physics system, diamond pony player. Still should be, yeah, entities layer, physical. Okay, I should create a body. Wow. Body equals not here. Or here. Vault.entity it plus equals body component of body trunk. and body user data equals it. I should probably create a new component, like type component. Oh, wall component actually. It should be just an empty component. Wall component. Yes, that. Wall component won't contain anything inside it. Should be wall here too. Oops. Now in physics system, I add not only body component but also wall component. And now I have an easy way to check if something is a wall. Use wall and user data. Okay, and now I can update my logics here too. Body A, it's wall. Oops. By the way, it's incorrect because it was a logic for diamonds. I need a completely separate logics for walls. Okay. If body A is wall and body B is player, and body. So my idea about detection of should I be able to jump or not is following. If the center of the wall is above me, then above my center, I shouldn't be able to jump. Body A, position Y is more than. Give me a small sec. There is some conflict between my ID and friend at the same time. Shouldn't be an issue anymore. Body B, position Y. Oh. Body B is wall and body A is player and body B position Y is more greater than equals body A position Y. Looks kind of crazy, but okay, it is what it is. It's for now. Then I should update the state of player. Like standing is false or something like that. Body A take if it player, or else it will be body B. Then player user data as entity. Player component, player set component. On the ground equals false. Wait. Probably I should invert all the thing. Less and less on the ground equals true. And on the same what is body A and body B? By the way, I don't need this one anymore. And now when jumping, how do I handle jump? Yes. Input B linear velocity equals Y, and B body component and player state component in it. Do I check it before? Did I check it before? No, I actually didn't. So if it is a player and its player state component on the ground, then apply the force. Let's check if it works. Oops. Something bad happened. Somehow I disappeared. Why did I disappear? What the? Is it some begin and magic? This wall is player. Body A is lower than, or body B is lower than body A. Take it for this player. So I found my player probably. Okay, let's watch again. What happens? Just go all the way through the wall. Let's try to put player a little bit higher. Oh no, let's change gravity actually. It will be even funnier. Physical world, earth gravity. We have this debug gravity. Let's see what happens. Is there any frame around my player? Yes, there is a frame around my player, as well as there is a frame around diamonds. So it seems you probably can see it, but it's visible. It should work. Let's make a gravity a little bit higher, like 10 times higher. Oh, I don't have floor anymore. That's a perfectly reasonable explanation of why the thing doesn't work. Let's open it in my editor. Open in Finder. Yes. Open. Stupid Mac. But wait, rectangle is here. Wow, that's weird. So I have this physics system that renders all the walls. Init my player. So transform. We transform our walls. Wall entity. Okay, what if I want it? It happens again. Okay. Static body. Oh, I know what happens. Our player probably just destroys the wall now. Why? And body A is wall. It should not be wall in this case. And in this case, body B should not be wall. Nice. Let's check. Yeah, it stands. Now what? Now I need to check if I still am running too fast for some. Oh yeah, it's my gravity. I didn't change back. At least my player doesn't doesn't fill the floor at all. Okay, gravity is. Yeah, it actually jumps. It actually doesn't stuck anymore. Don't stuck anymore. Doesn't. And by the way, even on this wall, it was able to climb it before, but now it's unable to climb it as well on the left wall. Okay, I definitely don't want to print this collision begin anymore. I think we don't need it. I think we know that the collision system works. By the way, it jumped crazy fast. Just look at it. I don't know, like 10 times a second. But at least, let's see what we changed. Okay. We should remove all unused imports. Physics system, we added a couple of extensions. Okay, we don't need this one anymore. We don't need this one. I should probably create an empty diamond component and reuse it in comparisons. But we'll do for now. Here it works too, nice. So we don't stick to sailings anymore. Okay, now let me touch our physics a bit. I don't want to apply such a huge force. Let me try to do it like this next time. Okay, now it's too weak. How much do I really need to start moving? Actually, I multiply by delta time to be independent from the frame rate. But I don't know my actual frame rate. So I have to guess. Okay, now it moves, kinda, sorta. Too fast. Let's make it less. Too slow. Wow. Such a difference. Seems okay. I don't like how apply force works. Now I wanna apply impulse. Apply linear impulse. X should be, let's say again, 600 by delta time. Y should be 0. Point X. Oh, wait. Yes. 0. Point X. Do I have access to body? Yeah. Body, position, X, body, position Y, and what is the last argument? Wake, true. And with wake. Minus. Wow, it's blazing too fast. 100. Still too fast. 50. I'm not sure if I'm happy with it. Now it jumps just too fast. Way too fast. Linear impulse to the position. Should I multiply it somehow by delta time? It's interesting because for jumping, yes, it's the singular action. Probably we don't need. No. Definitely doesn't work this way. Should we probably just a little bit less? Okay, it's not a little bit less. It's twice less. But okay, it jumps crazy high. Why? 20 to 100 multiplied by delta time. What's the case? No. Let me just find this perfect value for jumping. Too high. So good old dichotomy, I believe. Low. 8F. Kind of works. And I'm in much better control now. Sometimes the movement isn't so as precise as I want it to be. What is the friction is 1F. I should probably tune friction of walls too. Box. Let's check it. Oh, now friction is so big I can't even move. Interesting. 0.5. What if I will change friction of my hero too? I still don't know why can't I? Don't I just jump in high enough? Oh, I can jump. For some reason I can jump, I don't know why. Probably some nice bug. What if? Okay, tuning controls is harder than it should be, probably. I can jump very quickly, but go very slow. Currently, jumping is kind of the best strategy of moving here. Let's make. Wait. Okay, probably friction of walls should be very big, but friction of the hero should not be that big, because it should be able to slide a bit. I'm not sure how the cumulative friction works at all. Probably Igor could tell me if he was here. Okay, I don't want to spend any more time on it. I tuned it a bit. No, I still want to spend some more time and try to make forces a bit larger. 75 and 75. Friction of walls. Friction of. By the way, let's try to ask the AI assistant. What's the best friction parameters for walls and a hero in box 2D in libktx? Oh, it's interesting. So final friction is a square t or square root of, do I have this function here? 0.3 by 1. So it will be like, okay, so 0.3 for hero and 1 for walls. It's basically what I did now. Now I want to play with camera a bit. Let me find settings of the camera. Nice. Zoom by 2. Will the camera be much closer now? No, it should be divided by 2. Constantly mix all the float arithmetics with graphics. Okay, nice. Now I wanna, in rendering system, I wanna set a camera position to my hero. System, rendering system. Private val hero equals vault.family all player state component and I don't know, location component. Nice. Where do I call camera update? I don't know. Okay, before all this stuff. So here how I will do it. Hero first location camera position set x y 0 f. Now camera should theoretically always look at my hero. And it does, it actually does. But it just moves too fast. Too fast. Should probably do something about it. Let's Google it a bit. libktx camera follow, something like that. And oh, interesting. So float lerp, camera position. Camera position should be actually camera dot position. Okay, nice. So what do they do next? Float lerp. Lerp equals 0.1 f, and then camera position x equals object x. What is object x? Oh, I see. Hero location x minus camera position x multiplied by lerp multiplied by delta time. Delta time. This one we don't need anymore. And this one should be with Y's. Why? Let's look at it. Doesn't work at all. At all. Why? Because of this one by the time. Okay, so if my hero is 10 and my camera is at 0, then it will be, wait, it should be plus equals, not equals. This makes sense. By delta time. So camera at the very beginnings, it could be even cutscene, I believe. Okay, I don't want the shake anymore. Sorry, Igor, you're not here, so I will disable the shake. But I don't even remember where did we call it. But I can open shaky camera and find the usages of the shake. Nice. Okay. Camera is way too slow this way. What if I won't multiply it by delta time? I probably need to use, there was some lerp function, GTX lerp graphics. GDX libktx lerp. Wait. Camera position lerp. Camera position lerp to 3 of hero location X, location Y, 0. What is alpha? I don't know what alpha is. Oh, it's just our lerp. Multiply, but it's let's look at it. Is it too fast? What if it will be delta time? It will be too slow, right? No, I can run too easily from it. I can. Now it's following like sticky, but also it kind of shakes. Now it's almost impossible to run from the camera, but at the same time it doesn't shake too much. Too jumpy, of course. Also should probably somehow coerce the camera into some bounds. Interesting. Can I just position is vector free? Does it have a string implementation? Can I just type it? No, not this. I do not. 12 to string. We actually have this. Okay. So I wanna type. I will just type the camera position at all times. It will be a rendering system here. South camera position. But let's look at the diapason of what we have. 7. Okay, this one I like X615. Okay, if camera position less X less than 615F, then camera position X equals 615F. Let's do the same for the right part. By the way, it shouldn't. No, it never leaves the screen on the left-hand side. 18. Okay, let's say 19. More than 19F will be equal 19F. Nice. I need to jump better. Sorry. Where do I jump? This one. TNT. Okay, now I can jump it. Let's experiment just a bit. Just a bit is easier said than done. Okay, this is a perfect Y. 9. Okay, let's be 10. Rendering system. If Y is more than 10F, then it will be 10F. And if I use round numbers everywhere, let's do 6F. Shouldn't affect too much. But this one doesn't work. It's now 11. Y is 11. Oh no, I see. Game is so hard that I cannot pass it. Yeah, but we can see that it. Okay, let's perfectly fine. Higher. Somewhere on this level. Should not drop under 5. Less than 5F. Then it should be 5F. Okay, now camera should be probably aligned nicely. We will move, but we won't ever see the black fields around the camera, around the field. Nice. So we can hit right wall, we can hit left wall. It's probably that's very close to what I wanted it to be, actually. I'm surprised. Whoa, by the way, I fall too fast. Some unknown reason. Maybe I should, first of all, I don't need this printing camera position anymore. Oops. Nice. Do I have anything like twin libktx twin? Probably I don't want a linear interpolation, but I want a twin. Interesting. So they have a separate twinning thing. Statement. Wow. I need something very, very simple. This is the whole thing built around twinning. What do I have besides LERP? Okay, there are some interpolations. Bounce, elastic, swing, elastic interpolation. Do I have some default values in here? No, I should create it myself. Bounces. It's by the way interesting one. Oh, but they have presets. Nice. Okay. Let's try to not its rendering system, not LERP, but interpolate. And I should pass an interpolator in here, right? How do I find it? Shake camera interpolation, bound, circle, elastic. And I don't know what's going on. Like it doesn't follow me at all. Elastic exp10. Oh, it's so plain. Okay, let's say I want it to be 5F. Okay. And F multiplied by delta time. Too slow. 100F multiplied by delta time. Too fast. It is lost. Okay, it doesn't work. Great. Oh, maybe let's just rewind history a bit. Let's see it again. Lerp. Should probably redesign the level. I mean, why? Why is it like this? By the way, I have a crazy idea. What if we have physics system and we always use here the same linear impulse, but it should be very different when we are jumping, right? State direction, state equals right. I basically need the same. But let's say 25. No, 3 times less. And check how do we jump now. No, they're the same jumps. Input pressed. You see, I mean, this doesn't work. It walks so slow, but jumps so fast that it shouldn't be this way. Input. Just. No, still the same. Okay, I cannot fix the jumping physics today, but I think that we achieved kind of interesting results with camera, because now camera follows our peak, and that's fine, and it looks fine. I mean, I don't have my CC because of that. I also wanna try one more thing. I don't know in which. Okay, let's do it here. GTX input touch. GTX get mouse click position. GTX mouse click position. Oh, nice. So it's if GTX input just touched, then I wanna south vector to GTX input X input Y. It's weird. X coordinate of the last touch of screen device and the current mouse. Why is it X? Okay, I'm fine with it. Can deal with it. GTX input X. GTX input Y. I want to print where I touch the screen. 708. Let's try to create a diamond in there. Is it even? Seems like that. Pair 708F 493F. So we should see one diamond on the right hand of us, at least at some moment. Probably it won't happen. Seven or eight. Is this one? Oh, it's relative position, like position of what we see on the screen. Can we translate it somehow? Well, I don't know. We'll find next time. Definitely not today, because it's too hard to do it alone. Maybe Igor will have some ideas about it. Okay, so what do we have? We have slightly better physics of running, still awful physics of jumping, but we have camera following our character. I mean, yeah, that's ridiculous. I cannot jump on the thing. Don't know how to fix it yet. But yeah, camera is following. And I actually like it. I mean, it almost doesn't matter how fast I run, camera is still following. And when I jump fast, camera doesn't jump, which is very nice. Looks kind of, well, here it jumps. I believe it doesn't have another option, maybe. Or probably I should make it. But if I will make it slower, probably I should compare position of the character to the current location of the camera, and if it's too close to the edge, then change something. I don't know right now. Also, I don't like that the image is being spanned when I resize the screen, but I mean, well, we'll fix it. We'll fix it eventually. Thank you very much for watching, and well, yeah, let me. Thanks everyone for watching, and hopefully Igor will be here next time. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.